Okay, 22. In the figure below, the portion of trapezoid ABC that lies in quadrant 1 is what percentage of the total area of trapezoid ABCD? So, quadrant 1, the amount of trapezoid ABCD that lies in quadrant 1. So, since we have our quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4, they're talking about how much of this part, and they want to know what percentage is that part to the whole part. So again, because we're looking for percentage, we are looking for a part to whole ratio. So to start to find our part here, we can use the coordinate plane to determine the area. So this is a rectangle, so we're really just doing length times width. So if we use the coordinate plane, that's going to be the origin to 6, that's 6 units. And then we'll use C and D, and using the y-axis, that's 0 to 4, so that's 4. So the area of this thing is going to be 24. So our part is going to be 24. Now we have to deal with the whole. So we've got to figure out what is the area of the whole trapezoid ABCD. Just as a refresher, you can do this by solving for the area of this triangle if you want and adding it to the rectangle. That is more than okay, but since I have you here, let's go over the area of a trapezoid. That's 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So 1/2, well, if we look at the, let's look here to find our base. So if we're just doing the trapezoid now, our base is going to be this distance. So that's going to be from 6 to -3. That's a total of 9. So that's base 1. Doesn't matter the order and the bases that you use. And then if we look at our other base, that's from B. Again, on the x-axis, that's 0 to 6. So that's going to be 6. So 9 plus 6. And then by the height, which we determined to be CD, that's going to be from 0 to 4. So that's 4, so times 4. And then that's going to be, I'll just do 1/2 times 4 first. If I do 1/2 times 4 first, that's going to be 2. And then times 9 plus 6, which is 15. So the area is 30. So our whole area of this trapezoid represents 30. Great. So there is our part to whole ratio. And just like one of the other problems I did, I'm going to find my percentage just by evaluating that part to whole ratio. So 24 divided by 30, I'm getting it as a decimal, so that's 0.8. And hopefully we can look at that as a percentage, which is 80%.